Alright, the camera went kaflooey on this last video, but oh boy, where it's drifting up and piling up. It's got a foot of snow in some spots, and where it comes off the roof, you can see it's 4 feet high anyway, down to the ground. Yep, this is January 24th, 2026. A lot of snow. And that's on the side of the tent building, and that's 4 foot anyway up off the ground. It's a boiler, commercial boiler I sold there. I got to get that out. It's pretty, whole lot of snow. I just raked that roof off the second time. I don't know if he plowed all the way down to the end of the driveway yet. It's pretty good fall. It's about 7:30 at night. Neighbors out there snow blowing. I've seen the plows go by a couple times, but I don't know. And this is just a couple passes here. He made these big snow banks. I don't know. I probably should have plowed a little bit today. I wasn't sure how much we were gonna get, but if it gets too much more, it might be too much to handle. Might have to get my gut stuck. You might have to shovel the vehicle out. I don't know. But it's fun to see, because we don't get winter. We haven't passed many years. We haven't gotten real winters like this, so it's kind of neat. This is a real New England winter snowfall, back the way it used to be. Where you plowed it, blew it over on the ends. There's a foot of snow here. I have pictures when I was a kid, snowfalls like this, but we haven't had snow like this in many years. Anyway.